Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're one of my oldie but goodies, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, Miss Jamaica has won the Miss World Caribbean title, and that is Khadija Robinson. The Miss World Caribbean title has been won by Miss Jamaica, Khadija Robinson. Robinson was announced the regional winner after being selected in the top 12 of the Miss World competition on Saturday with Miss Martinique, Larisha Sengonala, or Sagrel. Robinson regional win put her in the top 5 and in contention to win the overall Miss World title based on votes from the public and points from the judges panel. Miss Mexico, however, was announced as the Miss World 2018. Miss Thailand was the runner-up. Robinson and Sagrel were among the 3 Caribbean beauties selected to be in the top 30 in the Miss World competition, initially along with Miss Barbados, Ashley Lachey. Big up to Miss Barbados. 14 Caribbean queens were among the 118 girls competing for the title in Senia, China. I feel like Khadija is a beautiful girl, and I like that they're not just allowing light-skinned girl with beautiful eyes and long hair win this competition anymore, so that Jamaican girls that are dark-skinned can actually have somebody to look up to in these Miss World or pageant competition that actually look like them and have their skin tone. So it's amazing, and I'm happy that she won the Miss World Caribbean title. She definitely deserves it. And it says Jamaica representatives to the Miss World pageant Khadija Robinson has finished in the top 5 of the competition held in Sian, China. Vanessa Ponce de Leon from Mexico was declared the winner, becoming the first Mexican queen to win the coveted title. Other contestants who qualified to the final round at the 68 Miss World contest were Miss Belarosa Maria Valislech, Miss Uganda Queen Abikaino, and Miss Thailand Nicoline Fichi Lamoskan. The top-level performance from Robinson has triggered widespread praises from the scores of Jamaicans who look to social media to commend the daughter of Black River St. Elizabeth on her performance. Extremely proud of Miss Jamaica World Khadija Robinson, top 5 Miss World Caribbean, plus she had the entire world dancing our dances to our beats. Absolutely amazing. Yes, she hails from St. Bess, said Floyd Green, State Minister in the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, on his Twitter page. Look at Miss Jamaica World Khadija Robinson go, flary and cowboy to the world. All Asia catch it. It's still a twist up my hand and I try Willie Bonks. Miss World 2018, said another Jamaican via Twitter. Very proud of Khadija Robinson, Miss World Jamaica and Miss World Caribbean 2018. She represented Jamaica well and she has contributed to the brand. Very proud of Khadija Robinson, Miss World and Miss World Caribbean 2018. She represented Jamaica well and she has contributed to the brand of Jamaican excellence that has been dominated the world. We'll look about with Talawa, Miss World 2018, said Christopher Harper via Twitter. Robinson, a psychotherapist at the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth, was also crowned Miss World Caribbean. So big up to Khadija Robinson, you deserve it. I wish you had actually won the whole Miss World title, but as you know, Jamaica is always snuffed out or robbed out of that title and that competition. I felt like Davina Bennett should definitely have won, but we keep placing second runner-up, third runner-up, fourth runner-up. Same thing with Casey Fennell. She did an amazing job. She didn't look like anybody on that stage with her short hair. Her swimwear was up, her talent was up, and she definitely didn't win. So I don't expect them to make or give Khadija Robinson a title like that. But anyways, big up to yourself. You're Willie Cribbett with Talawa, and congratulations. on your Miss Jamaica title and your Miss Caribbean world title. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the rest of the videos coming up. Stay tuned. Bye. Deuces.
Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go on back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.